This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, and thank you for stopping by to hear about what Arlington ISD and Learning.com has been working on for you for the summer of 2021 learning opportunities. My name is Sherry Tomlinson, and I'm the Customer Success Manager for Learning.com, who works with Arlington ISD to be sure that you as educators and that your students have everything they need to be successful with our program. So who is Learning.com? Let's start there very quickly. We are the adopted technology applications resource in the state of Texas for kindergarten through 8th grade students. Your students all have licenses to our extensive curriculum library that will teach them 100% of the technology application TEKS should you choose to implement the program. More specifically, we're an adopted technology applications resource in Arlington ISD. Together, both of us, Arlington ISD and Learning.com, both have a singular heartbeat, and that is preparing students for success in a digital world. That's very important to all of us because we understand that the digital world that our students live in right now is unique, and it's going to be even more unique and more challenging in the years to come. It's our job to make sure that our students are equipped to be successful out there. We also agree that this statement right here is true. They can swipe, but can they type? They can watch videos, play games, but can they create videos? Can they create games? Can they use technology to do their homework and to produce projects? That is our goal at Learning.com. So how do we do that? Well, we provide to you a robust curriculum library of over 100 different lessons, lesson plans, etc., that cover things such as technology basics that you see here. We're going to teach your students, when it's developmentally appropriate, the different computer fundamentals that they need to know. We're going to have, or we do have for your students, an extensive keyboarding curriculum, online safety and digital citizenship, lessons on internet usage and online communication as well. Then, beyond the basics, we're going to teach your students to produce. As I mentioned, they're going to learn to use word processors by way of our curriculum. They can learn to use spreadsheets and databases, presentations, multimedia, and visual mapping skills. And for those who want more of a challenge, they can engage with our computational thinking and our coding lessons. We have one more really unique resource, and that's called Inquiry PBL that's available to your students. These are projects, as it indicates, but students, what's unique about these projects is that their students have to use technology and improve their technology skills to produce the projects. So, how do you as teachers in Arlington ISD learn more about Learning.com? I'm so glad that you asked. We're going to suggest that you start with what's called our Learning.com Online Training Center. This is an asynchronous training opportunity that you can do this summer at home on your own. It takes about 2 hours to finish it. And when you finish and you've proven an understanding of all of the concepts, then you'll get a certificate of completion at the end where you can submit that for potentially PD credit. This is the best place to start because this is going to teach you everything about Learning.com, from what's in the curriculum library, how to locate those lessons, whether it's in English or in Spanish, how to assign those lessons, how to monitor the progress of your students, etc. So that's the best place to start. Now, in this video link right now, if you look in the description, there are 2 links. The first link is to the Online Training Center. So click on that. You can go get started over there as soon as you're finished watching this video. What's next? After you do the Online Training Center, which again, we're wanting you to do first before you jump into any further additional training opportunities, because we're not going to talk about any of that that the Online Training Center covers. We're not going to talk about any of that in these 2 wonderful webinar series that we're creating for the month of July. There are 2, as I said. There is a series that's going to start that's called Tech Tuesdays. There's another series that's going to start for Tech and Core Wednesdays. The second link underneath this video is a link to the Genially site that looks like what you see here, an interactive site where you can click around and you can explore the topics for Tech Tuesday and Tech and Core Wednesday. You can also explore what you need to do in order to be a certified Easy Tech integrator. All of that can be discovered on that Genially site. So, quick glimpse, Tech Tuesdays, they're going to start July 13th. We're going to have 4 sessions. There are the titles. But if you'll go to the Genially link, you're going to find an extensive description of each of those sessions so that you can decide which of those sessions you want to sign up for. Tech and Core Wednesdays are actually going to start the week prior on July 7th. We're going to have 6 different sessions during Tech and Core Wednesday, but notice the first 4 are very similar. These are going to be designed towards the core area teachers, and we're going to help you to understand how to integrate technology more easily into your core curriculum areas using learning.com. So attend the one that fits you best or attend all 4 if you would like to. That is fine. They'll be similar in structure, but very different in content. And then 2 very unique sessions there that we're going to wrap up our summer with, and they'll be specific by grade level. So just attend the one, 5A or 5B, that's going to fit you the best. You can sign up for all of these in KickUp there in Arlington ISD. And once you sign up in KickUp, you'll be given another link to go and get your webinar link. So get started with the Genially. It will link you out to the other places that you need to go in order to join us in July. So thank you for stopping by. I can't wait to see you soon in July. I look forward to that. In the meantime, if you have any questions about learning.com, Levianne Marabelli is your contact in Arlington ISD. Feel free to reach out to her anytime, and she can answer any questions that you may have. All right, that's it, folks. See you in July. Stay cool.